Good afternoon, children. Let's begin our math session. Today's topic name is Shapes and Spatial Understanding, Chapter 1. And today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is, the topic name is tracing. All of you open page number 4. Page number 4. In the last class, we discussed different types of shapes and how to draw shapes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes, and types of views. Okay, children. And today we are going to learn new topic, that is tracing. Here, tracing. Page number 4, activity 1. Let us trace some objects. Let us trace some objects. Tracing means what? Tracing means drawing over it. If you place any object on a paper, if you draw over it. Okay, children? Then it is called as tracing. Tracing means drawing over it. Okay. Before doing this activity, I am going to give few examples. Watch this video carefully, children. Here, you can see one chalk box. Place one chalk box and draw along its outer edges. Remove the chalk box. You can see a square on the sheet. Now, place an eraser on a paper. Draw lines along its over edges. Remove the eraser. You can see a rectangle on the sheet. Place a vertically chalk placed on a paper. Draw a line along its over edges. Remove the chalk. You can see a circle on it. Place a ball on a paper. Draw a line along its outer edges. Then you can see circle on the sheet. Place a miniature tent on a paper. Draw a line along its outer edge. Remove the tent. You can see a triangle on the sheet. Now, children, did you understand how to trace an object? Okay. Now look at the screen, and if you have textbook, you can read the question. Okay. Here, take a matchbox, put it on a paper and draw as shown here. Observe the shapes formed. Here, that boy placed one matchbox on a paper and he is drawing lines on its outer edges. Then, which shape you will observe on the sheet of a paper? Exactly, rectangle shape you can see on the sheet of a paper. Okay, children. If you will place horizontally a matchbox on a sheet of a paper and trace. Okay, children. Then which shape you will get on the paper? Which shape you can see? Yes, exactly. Rectangle only. Next, third picture, observe carefully. That boy placed matchbox vertically on a sheet of a paper. Then after tracing, which shape you'll observe on the paper? Exactly, again rectangle shape you can see on the sheet. Understood, children? Now you can try this activity not only with a matchbox. You take one coin, okay? Take one coin, 1 rupee coin or 2 rupee coin or 5 rupee coin, okay, 10 rupee coin. Then trace, okay, children? Draw line along its outer edge, then remove. Which shape can you see? Yes, circle shape you can see on the sheet of a paper. Next, come to the next bit. Take a bangle and trace it. Okay, take one bangle, children, and place it on a sheet of a paper. Then which shape will you get on the sheet? Which shape you can see? Which shape can you see on the paper? Exactly, circle shape you can see on the sheet of a paper. Okay, children, this activity is a very simple activity. You place one bangle in your textbook. You draw in that given box only. Take a bangle and trace it, and which shape you'll observe on the sheet of a paper, just write that shape name in that box itself. Okay, children? Next. Here, few shapes they gave, some objects they have given, and you have to place that objects on a paper and trace, and which shape you will see on the paper, you have to write in the given box. Okay, children, here this is one type of a tire, color tire. Okay, children, then place this tire, small tire, on the sheet of a paper, then trace. Okay, children, draw lines along its outer edges, then which shape will you see on the paper? Then that answer you have to write here. Okay, first of all, tell me this tire is in which shape? Round shape, means circle shape. When you will trace round shaped objects, which shape you will get, children? Circle shape. Okay, children? Circle. First in box, first box you write CIRCLE, circle. This answer I will give through one link. Don't worry. Here I am giving answers with spellings. Then you can write directly. When you are listening this video, you can write directly in your textbook. Don't worry. I will send notes. Okay, children. I will send notes also through link. Afterwards also you can copy these topics in your classwork as well as in your textbooks. So first small tire. Okay, take one small tire and place it on a paper. Draw lines along its outer edges. Then you can see a circle on the sheet. Next, what is this object is called as? Cube. Cube shape object. Did you see anywhere this object? Okay. This is called dice. Okay, children. When you will place a dice on a paper, and if you will draw lines along its outer edges, you can see a square shape on the sheet. Okay, children. Take one dice. If you have a dice, place on a paper, draw lines along its outer edges. Okay, children. Then, which shape can you see on the paper? Okay. When you trace a dice on a paper, you can see a square on the sheet of a paper. Okay, then in second box, write a square. SQUA.
Next, third object, eraser. Third object, eraser. Okay, children. Place one eraser. Okay. Place an eraser on a paper. Draw lines along its outer edges. Remove the eraser. You can see which shape on the sheet of a paper? Yes, exactly, rectangle shape. So right answer in that given box, rectangle. RECTANGLE. Okay, children, first shape, circle. Second shape is square. Third shape is a rectangle. Now third bit. Let us see the shapes of some objects. Take a matchbox, open it as shown in the figure. See how it looks. Once you see, children. Okay, you are staying at home only. Now you can do this activity on your own in presence of your parents. Ask your mother to give one matchbox. First tell her to remove the matchsticks from the matchbox and tell her to give one matchbox and look at the figure and then you open. Okay, children, first picture, matchbox, full matchbox. Then open the matchbox like this. Okay, cut the matchbox. Okay, na children? Cut along its outer edges. Use scissor and cut along its outer edges. Then open the matchbox. Then you can see the outer part of the matchbox here like this. Now middle portion where the match sticks are placed, no? If that part if you will take and if you will cut along its outer edges, you can see third part, third picture. Can you see, no? When you will open the matchbox middle portion, if you'll cut along its outer edges, you can see this U. Next. Now see these objects. How will they appear when they are opened up? Okay, children. Now place your notebook or maths textbook in front of you. When you will open the textbook, okay, first one picture and second one picture, carefully observe and answer. Answer my question. Take your textbook and open your textbook. Which textbook? Which part of a textbook? Okay. Part of this is the front part. Okay, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Is there? No, that is the front part of a textbook. Okay, children. Now, if you open your textbook, how will they appear when they are opened up? Tick the correct answer. First option is the right answer. Second option is the right answer. Okay, you have your textbook means you can open and try this activity and you can put tick mark in the given box. Okay, first answer is the answer in first box, put tick mark. Why? Because when you open your math textbook or any textbook, okay, first one is the right answer. Now, just now I told you, if you take one matchbox, okay, children, and middle portion where you will place matchsticks, no, that matchbox tray, if you will open, Okay, children, if you'll cut along its outer edges, okay, how they will appear, children? How that matchbox tray will appear if you'll open along its outer edges. Okay, tell me. First box, I have to put tick marker. In second box, I have to put tick marker. First box only 2 sides open, but in second picture 4 sides are open. When you cut along its outer edges, 4 sides it will open. So second picture is a right answer. Next, here few activities are given. Collect a toothpaste box, soap wrapper, chalk box and biscuit packet wrapper. Open them and draw their shapes. Okay, this is one activity and you are staying at home only, and you can collect a toothpaste box, soap wrapper, chalk box and biscuit packet wrapper and open them and draw their shape. Just you cut along its outer edge. Okay, children. Then you trace and how they look. Okay, which shape when you trace along its outer edges, which shape will you see? Okay, this activity is a very easy activity. You can do on your own only. Try this activity. Two girls are sitting and preparing a design. Sita and Geeta are very interested in making a rangoli. They make rangolis on the day of a festival. Observe this lovely rangoli. Identify the shapes. Here, two girls are very much interested in making a rangoli design, and here they are making, both of them are very much interested in making a rangoli, and you can see here different shapes in their rangoli. Okay, identify these shapes. Here few shapes are given. You have to identify these shapes in that rangoli design.